Fine.
All right. So great, Sarojit, and thank you for coming and talking about your experience with the program that we just had, 3D printing for
Yes.
entrepreneur. So, Sarojit, can you tell me a little brief about what you do and what was the main interest that you decided to join the 3D printing for entrepreneur program?
So actually, we were acquainted to 3D printing since the last year or so, and we generally bought it only for prototyping complementary products, which goes with our products. And meanwhile, when we were doing this, we thought that yeah, the printer is lying idle for quite a lot of time, and we should start doing some other activities as well. So we targeted some enthusiast groups, say people who love cars, and then people who are into some other kind of a hobby, and we tried to manufacture certain memorabilia. And for example, we made one phone holder which was in the shape of a car seat, in the shape of a racing car seat. So we had quite a lot of people saying that, wow, this is pretty good and we want it. So we started from there. But to join this program, the agenda to join this program was that I wanted to know more in terms of what kind of industry has what to offer in terms of 3D printing and its solutions. So I also belong to edutech sector, and I was exploring the option of bringing 3D printed tools to help the teachers basically convey their concepts, because I firsthand faced that my daughter was not the concepts were not clear, and the teacher had to like repeat it 3 or 4 times, and then too there is a percentage of kids or students who would be left without the concept. And everybody says yes, samajh mein aa gaya, but I know ki yeah, that's not the fact. So that was one of the things that we had in the pipeline. And after going through the program, I got connected with one of the joinees, who's based in Delhi. uh, I don't remember his name right now. Sachin, I think. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
sir.
we got connected. I had some jobs which needed designing as well, so I took his inputs as well. So it's been not only educative, this program, but yeah, got the start of the network as well, of people who are into this. And specifically, he was also trying to do something in edutech, so we connected quite good.
Great, great. So the program was actually primarily based on the fact that the technical aspect and the design aspect is available online.
Correct.
There are so many things, there are so many places and platforms where you can go and learn many things.
Mhm.
But to have a thorough knowledge, or maybe a platform or a place where you can interact and understand the entrepreneurial aspect of running a business, that too
Correct.
with 3D printing. So that was the main idea behind. So we tried to marry between the technical aspect as well as the growth aspect, so that
Mhm.
we could have people come on board, and then
Correct.
they can grow their businesses. So that was the reason of introducing the entrepreneurial part in this program. So how was your experience? I understand that you only joined for the entrepreneurial part. So when did you decide that you should only be taking the entrepreneurial part, and how has it really impacted or helped you?
Basically, I had gone through quite a, number of trainings in terms of 3D printing and what is it and how it works. Also attended one of the physical sessions before the lockdown, which was done by I don't know the company, but they also make their own printers.
Mhm.
Um, so it was in Pune. The company is based out of Hyderabad and Bangalore. Um, So yeah, these programs did not cover the part which I was looking for, because initially when we got the printer, we learned the printer by ourselves, and all the difficulties that we were facing, we were trying to get them resolved through forums like Reddit and others. So my point was that every training program was just giving the technicals of what all different technologies are there, and what you can do, what all materials are there, and certain things like that. But nobody was discussing in terms of how to take this ahead in a particular industry, or what can be the entrepreneurial part of it. How can an entrepreneur, benefit from it? Mostly, they were there to sell their printers and their service and show that they are aggregators of 3D printing service, and we can avail their services and all. But yeah, so this was different. How I saw the contents that you were gonna cover in the program, and I thought that this is something that I've done before. But the last part, which is the last sessions, the 3 or 4 last sessions, were something which I was really looking forward to. So that is when I decided, yeah, okay, fine, let's not go through it again, and let's focus on the entrepreneurial part.
Right. So the last two sessions that you're talking specifically talking about is the lean canvas, and then there was this digital transformation.
Correct.
So, I mean, did you have any experience with the lean canvas earlier, or
So
is
business
that
canvas, business model canvas was something that I was acquainted to, and have used it for quite a number of projects. Uh, but lean was a derivative of it, but I think it's more focused, and I think the approach is also quite different on how you develop a lean canvas and how you develop a BMC. So I got to know that, and basis that I starting from a particular segment of customer and going backwards is was the right thing that we thought would help us in this. And me and my brother, who both look after the 3D printing part, we then came to a point when, okay, fine, we will have to target a particular customer segment first. So we are very much into the auto enthusiast group, and a lot of friends of ours are also like enthusiasts, and there is a quite a big group of hundreds of people who are in that group, and we talk about general about cars and about routes, which routes are better to take to go where and all that. So we printed relevant things and showed them on that group, and it was like quite a created quite a stir. They were like, wow, this is so good, can you do it in this color, can you do it in multiple colors, can you showcase our logo on it? So they were quite a custom requirement as well. I'm sorry, the kitchen is right next to me, so
no worries?
it's recording.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. uh, yes. So yeah, that is what we followed, and it helped us. I probably have to do it for other segments as well.
Hmm. Great. And what about the digital transformation thing that we spoke about? Did you kind of connect with it?
Not really, not yet, but I would plan to do that sooner. Yes.
All right. So how was your overall experience, Sarabjit? I mean, how
It
would you
was
rate the?
good. It was good. It was good. After every such training, we would have a conversation between ourselves and discuss of what was different in it. So this was something which gave us an insight on how to go for products, because there's so many things going on in the head. ये भी बना सकते हैं, वो भी बना सकते हैं. लेकिन things don't. It's what we want to build, but not
Right.
what people require. So this time, uh, going through this route gave us an idea of first talking to them and getting a small product out and show it to them that this is something
Right.
that we are doing. So we got quite a lot of requests of custom keychains, custom, somebody's owning a old Skoda Octavia. They want that Skoda Octavia incorporated in a keychain. Somebody wants something else. So I think we got traction in terms of deciding what new product to build and bring it out. And this happened only after I got an insight on how to look for a product after you look for a particular segment of customers.
Right. Absolutely.
So yeah, it was helpful. Yes.
Great. And so, how do you? How do you think that you're going to use the learning that you have had?
I think we are gonna focus on two or maximum three segments. One I have educated with. The tools are still under development, and एक ये नया जो अभी मिला है, we'll still figure out what if you want to still go for more segments of customers, because this is quite a big segmentation in itself. And ये पहले कर लेना was
Right.
something that we thought, yeah,
And
let's
we
start
try to
with
cover
this.
actually the business aspect on, the entrepreneur aspect, and it can be employed in any vertical or any
Right,
industry segment.
right,
Right? So it
correct.
was not very specific to how to
Yeah, so
use
it
or
helped me. It helped me in different business as well. This was like not only 3D printing, but yeah,
actually
to
that
figure
was
out
the whole
what
idea.
kind of product. Correct, correct.
Great. So what do you think we should add or
So
we should
overall, it was a good. Um, I think in terms of adding, I wouldn't recommend adding anything, because that is industry specific, and everybody comes with a different industry to cater in their mind. And this was a generic overview of how all the industries work. So I like the part where the calculation on how we'll price a product was there, and so I think the generic things which are needed by the entrepreneur are covered in your course. And if there is any specific industry which the person is from, you are anyways connecting one on one and helping them out with that. So I don't think that the common course needs any addition, but yeah, the one on one sessions that you do probably include one per head to understand what they are going through. And anyways, those insights which is in the common course help and resolve mainly more of the issues. But yeah, if someone is stuck in their particular industry, then I think you can help them out,
great. Sure,
because
we'll
you cover two or three industries.
yeah. So
Certain industries are covered, and it will be like people coming up with different industries and applications in different other industries which we have not seen can really be helpful for them on a one-on-one.
great. And is there any specific thing that you're looking forward to in terms of entrepreneur technology?
Not right now. Um, we also got in touch with Chisel, as you told me, and we have registered ourselves as a vendor there.
Great, great, great.
Both of my
How did you get
printers.
in touch with Yash or
No, I didn't.
Ravi?
I think it was Ravi, and he told us that okay, this is the portal, and you can go and register there. I put both
Okay.
my FDM and resin printer on there, and let's see how it goes.
Oh, great, great. Small. Great that it could help you. Very nice.
Yes. So we
So,
were
so
in touch. I saw Chisel before, but I didn't know that they were into aggregation. I thought they had their own
I mean, that is the
set of
best business
printers.
to be in. I mean, if you are into aggregation, that is something that can always give you a certain ROI.
Right.
Fixed ROI that is guaranteed. So
Okay.
that is yeah.
Okay. Okay. But yeah, what you were talking about, sustainable platform that you're building, I would definitely be interested in knowing
Sure.
more about it.
I'll definitely. I mean, we are planning to have, like, as I told you that hemp. If there is a problem with awareness, and if it is coming under sustainability, then we could probably think about creating an awareness session for people who are looking and working in
Correct.
sustainability, and
Correct.
so and it could be based on hemp. We could
So
have
there
like a
are
round.
connects. So I have some connects in Auroville, and these guys are totally
I
into
remember you
this
mentioned that,
sustainability.
right? Right.
So
Yeah.
there's this guy who is very interested in doing awareness sessions as well for people, but I don't think he has the right platform.
Okay.
So, and what we were thinking was we would do these awareness sessions specifically for hemp industry, and we would like to, invite him to give those sessions. So, if in any ways this can be like, collaboratively done,
Yeah.
we are open for that. एंड हम लोग भी पिछले 2 साल से जो कर रहे हैं एंड द नॉलेज बेस दैट द फाउंडर्स हैव is immense compared to me. I've just joined them about 6 months ago. So
Hmm.
I think there are a lot of people who are into spreading awareness about it. So
Sure.
awareness
You
का
know,
वैसा problem, हाँ,
नहीं होना चाहिए और you know
नहीं
what,
होना चाहिए.
establishing yourself as an influencer is very important. Now
Right.
I did, like for me, I did not know that hemp is also a sustainable product, right? Now
Yeah,
if
yeah,
you
it is.
can if you can make an article in which you can probably list out how hemp is better than other raw materials which is not sustainable, which is not good for environment, and you can put them online, or we can create some sort of engagement around that topic, and based on that we can have a webinar. So it is a step by step connection, and then it also establishes you as an influencer in that particular domain or industry. It is very important. Well,
Correct.
believe me,
So when I
Sarabjit,
was
now.
telling you that we,
Yeah.
yeah, when I was telling that we are planning to put out our blog posts and do the marketing on LinkedIn. So this was our plan, that we would also cover that part of awareness, where we will showcase how things are different in this industry, and how using this and letting go of the traditional ways of doing things can help the environment. So there are various categories where we plan to spread awareness. Not just awareness, but yeah, introducing our products and saying that this is something which can help you curb
Hmm.
that particular pollution, or whatever you can say the issue.
Right. I mean, that's a good thing. See, at Labdos, our motto is simple: to bring a marriage of technology and entrepreneurship. So
Right.
we want people to be self-sustainable, right? I mean, they should be not only depending
Correct.
on getting a job, but they should be in a position where they can start something of their own. So
Right.
if it
Right.
is bringing the technology is there, we are bringing the technology from the best of the places. If it is bringing the entrepreneurship and those minds on that the entrepreneurship mindset is required, then we are bringing that, so that it becomes a great marriage, and people can come up with new things and come up with some innovation.
True. True.
Great, great. I mean, that's really nice. I'm really glad that it helped you in certain ways. Is there anything that you want to say to lab docs, or any comments that you might have?
I think this was a pretty good session that we had, and I will be in touch with you personally in terms of
Absolutely, absolutely.
not only for this industry, but if we need any other technological
Sure,
solution
sure,
or
sure. And
guidance.
I mean, I wish you
Okay,
from my heart. Sustainability is something that is
no
very close
problem.
to my
Thank you.
heart, and I've been. My
Right.
wife is also into this, and we have been doing. So we have other health brand also, which goes by the name
Okay.
Sattva. So we are helping people
Sup.
to Sattva, SATTV.
Okay, I think I've seen it somewhere.
Yeah,
Do
you
you
might
have
have.
like खाने पीने का सामान?
Not khane pine ka sawan. It is like a, lifestyle that we are trying to promote. So it
Okay.
has many various aspects, not just about what you eat, but how you conduct your daily life, and also we have got participants coming and joining from all across the globe. So that is one thing, and
Okay.
there
Okay.
also we.
So this is like
Yeah.
Sattva delivering high impact. Sattva.co.in.
No, it is Sattva.life. S
Sattva.live.
dot
Live.
life. LIFE. And I'll share the link with you.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Do it, do it. I'll love to have a look.
Yeah, so that's what I mean. So I mean, it will be great. I mean, we can help to get some product in the
Sure, sure.
market. Sure. So great.
We'll
Thank you so
definitely
much.
connect and probably meet up also sometime soon.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's it. All right. Thank you so much, Sarabjit.
Okay.
All the best. All the best,
Right.
man.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Thank you.